Sometimes our mouth runs faster than our brain.
How does the food taste, dear?
It completely lacks any flavor. It is the worst thing I have ever eaten.
He answered honestly, just a little too honestly, and suddenly, he wished he had stayed quiet.
How is it, dear?
It is completely disgusting.
He told the truth, but chose the wrong words.
Suddenly, he wished he had stayed quiet.
Sometimes your mouth runs faster than your brain.
Not every joke to be said out loud.
The words were out, and there was no rewind button.
Who can solve this equation?
His hand answered before his brain did. Sometimes our mouth runs faster than our brain.